Hi guys, we're on the way to Lucky Chinatown Mall to meet one of our clients at Kurbang Lokal. So we're gonna meet the owner of Kurbang Lokal and also gonna meet their staff and gonna shoot some few contents in. Hi guys, so we're here at the 4th floor of Lucky Chinatown Mall here at Kurbang Lokal. Actually, we're here with the owner of Kurbang Lokal, Hazel. So we're gonna do a quick interview for her and we're gonna help them out with their social media needs. So Hazel, can you tell us why Kurbang Lokal? Why you named it Kurbang Lokal?
Frustration.
Frustration.
I'm a plus-size woman. So, Kurba, ang goal niya is to offer up to plus size and for all genders. So, hugging the insecurities of the society while offering locally made products.
So how many years na yung Kurbang Lokal?
Pandemic baby.
It's a
si baby.
pandemic baby.
2020, nung time na yon puro footwear pa. Kasi nga, tinatry ko, kahit mag-start ng regular size yung footwear, then mag-a-add na ko ng up to plus size. Kaya lang nag-fail. So, nag-pivot ako ng mga end ng 2020, nag-start ako ng bag, nagre-rebrand pa nun. Then, inunti-unti naging exclusive na yung mga designs.
Oh, so talagang ikaw din yung nagde-design
Yes,
ng
from
mga
scratch.
bags?
Magdo-drawing ako ng maliit, tapos pipicturean ko. And then, isi-send ko dun sa sample maker para magka-idea sila. Then, kukuha ako sa internet ng inspiration na, eto ganito po yung function na gusto ko. And then, i-collide namin yung information. Sila naman sa end kasi nila, din sila yung may hawak ng makina. Sabihin, kaya ba ng makina nila yon? Yung mga ganon, yung mga maliliit na details na puro techie sa kanila, tapos sa akin yung visual ng anong itsura. Yun.
So, what course did you graduate knowing na ikaw pala nagdi-design ng mga bags? Is it related or it's...
No, hindi. Ang Philippine Studies po yung inaral ko sa UP Diliman. Pero hindi
Isa
siya...
ka ring iska. Fellow iska.
Yes. Ayan, kaya lang hindi siya related and siguro talagang nakalinya ako for business. Hindi ko lang alam nung bata ako.
So, ever since yung family nyo ba, is it really, you know, you own a family business or you're just one of the first who actually own the business sa family nyo?
First and only.
First and only.
First and only. First business si Kurbang Lokal. Kaya wala akong mentor. Dito ay sisingit ko na yung pasasalamat kay DTI kasi nung nag-start kami, wala akong idea sa pinagagawa ko. Mali lahat yung mga ano. Kasi wala akong idea. Tapos pumasok ako kay DTI, sila na yung nagpakilala ng mga mentorship sa amin, mga ganyan. Tulong nila sa mga micro and small businesses.
Pero for a business that started in pandemic, you grew really fast. Kasi we stalk you on Shopee and then Lazada. Marami talagang orders, maraming good reviews, especially for a local brand, right? Na somewhat pumapantay ka with other international brands. That's actually really kudos. So how did you manage to keep up na sobrang fast-growing ng Kurbang Lokal?
Ayun, sinacrifice ko yung mental health. Hindi. Kasi, ang unang-unang ginagawa namin, kahit na ba, pagod ka na, di ba, para siyang sa presentation, kung artista ka, ikaw yung the show must go on. So,
Okay.
kahit na pagod ka na, complete package pa rin ang ino-offer namin. Kaya rin maganda yung reviews and all. From the moment na nag-inquire ka, good customer service, to the delivering ng orders, talagang packed ng maayos. And then may after-sale service pa. So yung good reviews, na-maintain yon. Yun lang, kung paano namin na-maintain ng mas mabilis siya, yun na. yun na yung mahirap talaga. Kasi mas mabilis.
Logistics yung, mahirap eh.
Oo, at saka saturated na yung online market natin, di ba? So, ang kalaban mo, hindi lang local brands, pati yung mga international, yung mga Chinese nagpapasok sa Philippines, di ba? Through
that's
Shopee and Lazada. Pero, kasi, nag-start kami ng online and then pinasok namin yung bazaar through the help of Department of Trade and Industry. Doon namin nakita na kapag hinawakan pala nila ng mga Filipino yung product at nakita nila yung quality ng gawang Pinoy, tatangkalikin nila. Doon, so parang kahit na hindi man sa bazaar bumibili yung mga tao, online, dahil nakapaan na nila, nakita na nila yung quality, bumibili sila online.
I see.
Yun.
So, in terms of marketing, like, were you the only one doing everything?
Yes.
Yes. with sad tone.
Yes. Oo, kaya nahirapan ako kasi I do product development. Ako yung nagde-design ng product, ilan ng supplier na kausap ko. From the COGS, yung mga items na binibenta, to the packaging. So, ilang supplier yung kausap ko, and then every time na yun, ilang tao yung nagpapa-approve sa akin, ilan yung kailangan kong i-PO and all, yung staff, yung inventory management. So, medyo marami akong hinahawakan, and tapos nagma-marketing ka pa. So, yun yung medyo napapabayaan ko talaga.
Yeah.
Especially for kahit hindi halata, introvert, ganyan, hindi ko siya forte talaga. So, yun yung kinailangan ko ng tulong.
That's true. I think nung lumapit ka rin, yun yung parang inside joke natin, na parang napapabayaan mo na kasi
Napapabayaan
din yung
ko
marketing.
talaga.
Lalo na't kasi when your business is growing, sometimes, di ba, you want to focus on the deliverables
Yes.
more than yung sa marketing. So, ano lang, curious question, how did you find us or All Over Socials?
Yung algorithm ng TikTok account ko, napunta sa feed ko yung videos mo.
Ah,
Actually, not one. Siguro nasa 5. So, napanood ko yung videos, even yung interview mo dun sa isang startup local brand.
Oh, really?
Yun. So,
Oo.
pinanood ko, sabi ko, feeling ko kaya dinala sa feed ko to eh. Kasi kailangan ko na talaga.
Okay,
Ganun.
okay.
Yun.
Ayan. So, guys, if you are looking for local-made bags, grabe, like super aesthetic na mga bags, we're just gonna flash videos for you. And yeah, check them out on Facebook, Instagram, and then TikTok, and of course on Shopee and Lazada. You can also check out the reviews there. Don't take our word for it. Just check the reviews for it, and just visit their store as well here at the 4th floor of Lucky Chinatown Mall. See you guys. Thank you, Hazel.
Thank you.
Thank you.